ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ubah Preston Tensong lepin pau baka sarkar kan sakhot nok shen ni ke jingalang jugi kinhun bapher banya thiria tai ba banya thau yawo halo ke jingpin phai no jong Ministry of Home Affairs ke sarkar pedeng ye ka amendment bill jong Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act. Haka Ukraine bak la pathai khubor akan rutri kuno pra araja apulai ulet ho baka Ministry of Home Affairs jong sarkar pedeng klapin pau baka amendment bill jong Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act kaya ho baki an bela minjur daka parliament namar baka jingthmu jong ka bill kalong ban pinyeng yaki khardop talasi minder ulayat ho bagat kum gajing pin pau jong Ministry of Home Affairs bagi khardop talasi minder kin khta ba namar ka jilla Meghalaya gari ka khardop rung baka khardop mi jangi pai ba ki belet batwan Shabarak Valley leni ki belet Shamizoram na Guwahati.
Namar ka ILP issue is different issue. MRSA is different issue. Jika ILP namar ngi insist adu mata bagin day ban yo ILP. But ka ILP ka de settle act. De settle act kamut hakapor ba ki pas. Ya ka act. Kandon lepa kajing penbaik. Aba ong ka act kamut kandon lepa kaban ong ba phiap le kum ta. Kam tam ha Meghalaya namar ka de ka transit state. You have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this. But make sure baka the flow of vehicles does not disturb ki pajba ki ba cross ya ka Meghalaya tadi ki baya ilang ba jong Shillong kat badai de kata kadai ka ILP ka bang mangipat haka MRSA kadai lakajo ka bangile kolong balay ki sa pinpoint maki kata kolong ba kiong kayak tengko kani ki issue ke tengko namar ba unu citizen jongkari India ulong free banya kamtam haka jaka ka bakajela kahap ban connect let's say ki sautuli sateli ki jela te kanum don kanu ka an ka badam ka bala bat khang bakin ya nakawe ka jela sakaw ki jela ban puai sala ka jong ka jaka lan sakala ka jong ka jela dikata dan narada mo pi kalong it's different issue altogether namara haka ILP ladki ai kamot kandon ka provision ka ban penting na ba let's say banum don ka jing pen saja la ka jing pen sitong la ka jing ka ban wara pen ban ka jing yakin nong ya nong yen haden baki rum siapa jelas ya ILP nilai budin ha nilai budin te haka to kelas ngong pi CM dalam ni ka team Joki Minister, sengai kedua hadu Prime Minister. Mendai tangi ILP next sementara ya katuka, ya ka ayu, ya ka lamu isu. Satu kemengilayah teko. Kata we are going to do it. Unfortunately kini kisi CM will come. Hopefully very soon CM will call a meeting with all the stakeholders, consultation. When we call meeting means consultation. Seek suggestions, opinions from everyone. Kajing pa kalong namar ba kabasya kedan ng Supreme Court mo kiong ba kay tungku bat ki anjong ka parlimen joka sarkar India haka ba ngi ong manbu yang ani ka facilitation center kalong ka cegit de kata kiong ba kalaban kalong kata haka ba terkena makan ini kedai ka transit road kaba mendai ban bentut mentai gibri ko bayat bayan syati Shabarak Bali ki balai Shamizoram ki balai kelek-kelek bawana bo